Stand by for the latest episode of the Biz News Flash Briefing. The latest news from the world of business and investments.
I'm Jackie Cameron for Biz News. South Africa's biggest cities are preparing to source their own power after the Energy Ministry approved letting them wean themselves off state utility Eskom. The country has been subjected to outages for the past 13 years. Johannesburg and Cape Town, which have a combined population of about 10 million people, plan to diversify away from the electricity produced mainly from coal by Eskom Holdings. Bloomberg reports that in addition to improving security of supply, the move will allow the cities to boost their fight against climate change. But this will also slash revenue for Eskom, which is struggling to service a debt that is the equivalent of about $30 billion. The World Bank has told South Africa's government it has to cut its wage bill to qualify for a loan of as much as $2 billion, and it does not want the money used to bail out insolvent state companies. That's according to Bloomberg, which notes that South Africa has turned to multilateral lenders for the first time since the end of apartheid, overcoming political opposition from within the ruling party as it tries to kickstart the economy. South Africa's main opposition party has won a court case that clears the way for it to retake control of the Tshwane municipality, which includes the capital, Pretoria. Any chance that investors will soon be tempted to buy the battered stocks of South Africa's locally focused companies will be tested today when Finance Minister Tito Mboweni presents his medium-term budget. Bloomberg says that investors will need real evidence of achievable reforms before they will bet on the plan set out by President Cyril Ramaphosa to revive an economy in its longest recession since 1992.
You've been listening to the Biz News Flash Briefing, bringing you the latest news from the world of business and investments. Subscribe to Biz News Radio on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, or by visiting biznews.com.